Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Delt Core HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in Delt Core HR login and start your search. Now you will find a link which says sign in from deltservices.co.uk. Go ahead and click on this link from the search results and now you will be taken into the login portal directly. Just type in your username within the username box and make sure this is the one that you used while signing up for your account. You can then type in your account password underneath within the password box. Then click on the OK button and you will be logged into your account on Delt Core HR right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will need to contact the support team manually in order to regain access into your account and reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how you can log into your HR account with Delt Core. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.